So hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Friends, today we have Sarthi with us, and he has got selected in Capgemini. And friends, he wanted to share his experience, and definitely it is going to help many others because based on the other student experience, he was able to do well in the Capgemini examination. So let us hear everything from him. So congratulations, Sarthi, for getting selected in Capgemini.
Thank you so much, sir, and thanks to you too. Because just because of you, I can be able to crack this exam. And at the final interview, it will be a great help that you give to me from your YouTube videos and the experience you share in your channel. It's really helpful for me, and I subscribe over to. Please, guys, subscribe to Online Study for You. It
Thank
really
you.
help in your future.
Okay, so I wanted to know like everything from the beginning, like how you started your preparation and how you wrote the examination, and after how many days your interview was there, and what was the interview questions were asked from you, and what was your background. So college name is not required. So I mean, what was your stream? So that is required, and other things you can tell us to the students so that they will also prepare because now TCS exam is also coming. So everybody has to prepare very hard and they have to follow the same approach what you guys have done. Yeah.
Sure, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Sarthi Sareen, and I have come pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology from Computer Science and Engineering in CSE.
Okay.
So, it's like a really great experience. Firstly, I got to know about Capgemini around 12th of August,
Okay.
as my university just confirmed that Capgemini is hiring and the opportunities come to my campus. So, it's really great thing. And also the thing I compared with after 12th of August, I applied in that. I just go through that all the process which they are going on. So firstly, they just need to register on your superset. I've
Okay.
done the superset registration. My campus verified that, and on the 20th August,
Mm-hmm.
we just get a confirmation that we are verified from superset, and after few days, your online test will be held.
Okay. Okay.
So uh, on 26th of August,
Mm-hmm.
my online test has conducted. In
Okay.
that, there are four different rounds. First one is pseudocode,
Mm-hmm.
verbal ability, uh, game-based round. That was they called,
Yeah. And then
and the
personality.
last the behavior. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Psychometric test.
Yeah.
So, firstly, I just go through the pseudometric round. That is an elimination round. Some of my friends that told me that they got eliminated. So I'll be like, okay, still there is a chance for more. So I just go through then the verbal ability. I also got selected in that, and after that the
So
game
how
based
did
round.
you
The game
prepare for all these rounds? This verbal round or pseudocode and game
Firstly, I
based?
watch your videos. I watch your video. I follow you everywhere, even on Telegram. I just go through your material that go on over that group on channel. So
Okay.
I really got a thing that it's a really good opportunity for me to learn all those things, and also I just appreciate to all those who share their experience too with you, because they are also really great students, I believe. So
Okay. So whose all experience you watched?
Ashmita, I guess, because that EC, triple E or
Yeah.
EC girl,
Yes. Yeah. You should.
I go through that, and also the others that questions from your that mail to you.
Okay.
I
Okay. Okay.
really
Yeah.
got that. By going back, I just read over my resume completely,
Yeah.
go through my all of the projects, the deep thinking that I just took over there. So after that, I got a result that I am selected on 5th of September,
So
and
28th of August, you wrote the exam, and by
26th of August I wrote the exam, and 5th of September I got that I'm selected for the upcoming technical interview.
okay, okay,
So at 5th of September, I got the news that I'm selected for that. It took a very long to take my interview. My interview just conducted 5 days before. It's like 26th or 25th,
okay,
the
okay,
last second Saturday, which held. So
okay,
I feel really nervous at that time because the interview is like a technical one, and I'll be like, how can it be possible to read so much in so less time? Then I just go through over your first videos that
Hmm.
whatever the questions they are raising.
Okay.
So I got to know about the basics of projects and the resume which I have completed,
Hmm.
and some of the basic like C, C++ languages, which is mandatory for everyone to do.
Okay.
That's why I just go through over that.
Hmm.
This led me to a really great help, and also at the interview time,
Hmm.
they just calm me down. The first interview calm me down, and also ask me some of the hobbies and all to the technical interview,
Okay. Okay.
uh, which led me so relaxed, and I just started with my introduction,
Okay.
including physics and my area of interest.
Hmm.
After that, they just asked me the question related to my project, in
Okay.
which they related to some advanced question of cryptography and all.
Oh.
I really appreciate that. Yeah, I really appreciate that because in my project I use some of the encryption thing, but I
Hmm.
read about that, so I answered that too.
Okay. 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 Great.
After that, they let my screen share, and I just present some of the programs they given to me.
Oh, so they
Some
asked
of
you
the
to write the program, huh?
Yes, sir. So
Okay. What
at the
was the
time of
program
the
they
screen
asked you to write? I mean,
they asked me to implementation of a stack
okay.
firstly.
Okay.
Second, the to take a random number from a list,
Hmm.
any five elements that pick a one random number, like a pinwheel or a wheel of lucky draw type.
Okay. Okay.
And then they asked me the question, why is pop and push implementation only on stack, not in queue,
Okay.
basically. So I
Okay.
just answer with the confidence that we can implement both of them in that. Just the differences, one is LIFO, another is FIFO. I really got a help in that too.
Okay.
After some time, I got to know that my HR interview is scheduled over there.
Okay. Okay.
I've, I've just commanded someone just commanded to me that stay on the superset profile so that
Hmm.
you will be able to go through all your process, and you will able to get a mail also when your HR
Hmm.
interview will start. After
Okay.
half
Okay.
an hour, I'll be waited for my HR interview, and
Hmm.
the HR ma'am is so lenient and so helping that she just firstly asked me, "Are you comfortable or not?" She just calmed me down again that how can I just perform my HR interview. So
Hmm.
they just heard the same introduction. They just give me two different situations. What will I do?
Okay.
That a situation analysis they just started.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the situation is I be a service executive, and
Okay.
someone come to me for the payment, and that is the last day of that person,
Okay.
and the credit card machine is not working. What you will do in that situation?
Okay.
I just gave my answer that I'll suggest that customer to go over an ATM and credit out your cash and then pay us because the credit card machine is not working over here.
Okay. Okay.
So she accepted that and asked me about the bond. Are
Hmm.
you comfortable with the bond? And asked me about to relocate.
Hmm.
That in a very calm manner and very great thing that I'll be very comfortable with both of them.
Okay.
After 2 days, I got from my campus that I'll be selected in that with my friends. So I really think it will be a really great thing to achieve. And also thanks to online study for you for this because without you, I really can't think of to crack all
See,
this.
we are here only
I'm a
for you
really nervous
guys.
person.
Yeah. So,
Thank you so much, sir.
yeah. So, what suggestion you wanted to give to the students for Capgemini and other coming up exams also? So, what will be
Uh,
your suggestions?
I believe that achieving any company is not hard thing, but must do one thing: go through all your resume, whatever you have written in your resume. The basic questions are from there, and do the project thing, like thorough reading of the project, because
Mhm.
this also impacts on some of the phases of every different parts of it.
Okay. 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 And how should they prepare for all this written and written examination like pseudocode, verbal, aptitude, and other parts?
Uh,
So.
I just suggest one of the coding thing because the material you already provide for the coding and the questions, this is really really great thing. But if someone wants to go in advanced coding section, I prefer HackerEarth because that is also a good website for communicating and also sharing over the things which let you to deeply gain the knowledge around your coding skills.
Correct. So Hacker and HackerEarth, so both are quite good. So
Yes,
yeah. So once again, Sarthi, congratulations for your selection, and we are really happy to you to be here and then guiding students for their journey. So that kind of guidance is really required, and because many of the students were also confused, like, okay, so are they asking programming or not? So yeah, so coding question were asked to you, and you had asked to share your screen as well. So yeah, so that will definitely help them. And now
it would be a tough thing because no one till yet asked to share the screen and to write a program. Even I got a compiler issue at one program in my, so I just verbally tell him that yeah, this is the program and that this is the way it can be done.
okay, okay,
So he just agree over that because he can see over my computer's compiler issue coming.
okay, 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 okay,
He
great.
even suggested me to search over Google as he's
Mhm.
very lenient over to ask me and help me to calm me down. But
Okay.
still, there is no solution to come up. Then he just said just to say whatever the program.
See now, like at least for this year and almost the next year also, a few months, we can assume that many things are going to be virtual. So even the TCS, the written exam and the interviews and all, even though they're giving option to either you can sit at your home and you can write the exam, or you can attend the interviews, but or you can come down to the center. But most of the people, like 80% people, will prefer to do the things virtually itself, because of the COVID situations. Nobody wants to take risk. So once again, thank you, Sathi, for coming here and making it very good. So all the best and do good in your future, and definitely after you join Capgemini also. So students will be looking for your help always. So yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And even I suggest your channel to with my juniors also. And they are really
Yeah,
happy that they got also the same thing that they got material and all the videos they get share experience of other students and also you're doing really great hard work for us, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
yeah.
Really, it's an opportunity for me to compete and with other students and got selected.
Yeah, I want your junior also to come here on the channel one day, and then they will again push or guide their students. So yeah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
good. And we wanted to reach to see the our main thing is mission is to make the education free. So in doing that, we are just proceeding it so that see, if you'll see on our YouTube channel, we provide like almost 500 videos are there which is for free. But if you see other channels and all, so they have hardly 100 videos are free, and then everything is on sale. So we are trying hard, but at some point of time we need to charge a bit, because we need to pay, like the infrastructure cost, maybe like website maintenance, the server where we play the videos, the faculties who
Yes.
works for that. So that is the reason we are keeping a minimum amount so that we can serve our purpose, and then only we will be okay. So yeah, so now at least we are able to manage all those things. So our main priority is only the students, so help them in all the ways, whatever it is possible. So definitely
Yes, sir. Even at
say,
every stage of possible, you're doing a really great thing for us, all of us. And also, there is not really a small thing to compete and conduct this type of sessions alone. It's
yeah.
really great to you and to your team. I really appreciate over that. I
Thank you.
hope if any possible thing I can help, I will definitely, sir.
Sure, sure. I'll be definitely in contact with you, and at each moment of time, I wanted you to help the people. Anyway, they will be putting their queries in comment box, so just try to help them. So there'll be some negative people will be also there. So yeah, so we just need to stay away from that, and we have to help the majority. Thank you once
Yes.
again, and we will meet later. Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.